morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about De Moivre's theorem. So the De Moivre's theorem also, students, this is the part of complex numbers. In CBSE board or any reference book, De Moivre's theorem is the part of the complex numbers. They are asking one question from JEE Mains and advanced from the complex numbers and De Moivre's. So the De Moivre's is also the part of complex numbers. Right now, students, I am in Rajahmundry. So I forget the objective book complex numbers. So after the completion of the De Moivre's theorem, I will explain the more sums. I will explain once again the more sums in complex numbers. The many more questions are there based on Thorny theorem. Okay, students. Right now, De Moivre's theorem. So here, dear students, n is an integer. N is an integer. Then cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is the cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos n into theta n theta plus I sin n theta. So let the statement be taken some lesson. So here n is an integer is there. So we know that by using the mathematical induction in first year, S of n1 is 2, S of n is 2 for n equal to k. Assume that S of n is 2 for n equal to k. After that, we have to prove that the S of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. By the principle of mathematical induction, S of n is true for all small n belongs to capital N. But where is here given that n is an integer. So students, first we make if n equal to 0. If n equal to 0, this is the students, the left hand side is there. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 0, that is 1. Now the right hand side is cos 0 plus I sin 0, cos 0 1, sin 0 0, that is also 1. So students, the left hand side equal to, that is the right hand side. Now students, after that LHS equal to RHS. If n equal to 1, if n equal to 1, that is the students left hand side. Left hand side is there, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1. So the right hand side is there, cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, students, therefore this is left hand side. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, dear students, we can written as S of 1 is true. S of 1 is true. Now, students, second case. Assume that S of n is true. Assume that S of n is true for n equals to k. So assume that S of n is true for n equals to k. That is the students cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k. That equal to students, we can substituting n equal to k. That is cos of k theta plus I sin k theta. Cos of k theta plus I sin k theta. So this is set that equation 1. Say that equation 1. After that, students, if n equal to k plus 1. What is the students? If n equal to k plus 1. So students, when we are taking n equal to k plus 1, now this is the students cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k. This is cos k theta plus, what is the students? N equal to k plus 1, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k plus 1. Now we have to show that for n equal to k plus 1. So students, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k plus 1 can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k into cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k into cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1. So students, this is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k can be written as cos of k theta plus I sin k theta. How to write the students? Cos of k theta plus I sin k theta into cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos of k theta plus I sin k theta into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the students cis k theta into cis theta. What is the students? Cos of k theta plus I sin k theta. This can be written as cis k theta. This is cis theta. Okay students. After that we can written as the students cis a into cis b. So this is the cis k theta. This is cis theta. Cis a into cis b is the students cis of a plus b. Cis a into cis b. Cis of a plus b. That is cis of k plus 1 into theta. Cis of k plus 1 into theta. So students, this is cos of k plus 1 into theta plus I sin k plus 1 into theta. So how to write the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power k. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1. This is from the equation 1. From the equation 1, we can written as cos of k theta plus I sin k theta. This is cos theta plus I sin theta. So students, this is cos k theta into cos theta. Cis a into cis b. Cis of a plus b. Cis a into cis b is the students cis of a plus b. That is cis of a plus b is the k theta plus theta. Theta is the common is there. Cos of k plus 1 theta plus I sin of k plus 1 theta. Okay students, now this is when you can observe here when what is there? We are taking n equal to k plus 1. We got here n is the k plus 1. Here also n equal to k plus 1. Now we can write s of k plus 1 is true. What is the students? S of k plus 1 is true. So dear students, first we show that 0 and 1. Assume that S of n is true for n equal to k. Now we show that S of n is true. S of k plus 1 is true. S of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. So now dear students, we have to show that for integer, we have to show that 0 for 1 and k plus 1. In first year we know that for n is 1. Assume that for n equal to k, we have to show that n equal to k plus 1. We can written as the S of n is true for all small n. How to write the students? S of n is true for all small n belongs to capital N. Now we show that the statement is true for n is an integer. Integer means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. We have to show that for small n belongs to capital N. Also we have to show that for 0. Now we have to show that n is a negative number. Therefore students, n we are taking negative number. So for n is an negative number, dear students, n is an negative number. What is the students? N is an negative number. Therefore, let m equals to minus n. N is a negative minus or minus plus. What is the students? When we are taking the n is a negative number, what n is a negative number, undoubtedly dear students, m equal to minus n is a positive. This m is a positive. Are you understand students? n is a negative number. Undoubtedly m equal to minus n is the positive. M equal to minus n is the students positive number. So m equal to minus n is the positive number. When n is an negative number, m equal to minus n is an positive number. So students, how can you write this? Is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is there. N can be written as the students cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus m. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus m. Now this can be written as the students 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta whole power m minus m is the plus m. Now students, this can be written as from the De Moivre's theorem. What is the students? How can you write this? Just now we saw that this is cos of m theta plus I sin m theta. How to write the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power m is cos m theta plus I sin m theta. Now students, the rationalization cos of m theta minus I sin m theta. What is the students? After the rationalization we got here. How to write the students? 1 by cos of m theta plus I sin m theta. This is cos of m theta minus I sin m theta upon cos of m theta minus I sin m theta. Therefore students, cos m theta minus, how to write the student? This is cos of m theta minus I sin m theta by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now this is the students cos square m theta plus sin square m theta. Cos square m theta plus sin square m theta. So students, this is cos of m theta minus I sin m theta. How to write the students? This is, how can you write this is cos of minus m theta plus I sin of minus m theta. Are you understand students? So what is the minus m is? Minus plus I sin n theta minus m is the students minus m is the n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So students, how can you write this is replaced by n is minus m is the plus cos m theta plus I sin m theta. After the rationalization, cos m theta minus I sin theta, a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square. Now students, we can written as cos of minus m theta plus I sin of minus m theta. So dear students, the m theta can be written as m is the students, what is the minus m is the n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So students, when we are taking n is a negative integer, then we got cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay students, therefore we can written as, then you can write s of n is true. Finally you can write s of n is true. S of n is true for S of n is true for all integers. What is the students? S of n is true for all n is an integer. This is nothing but De Moivre's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. What is the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is the students cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So dear students, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus n. This is the students cos theta, cos of minus n theta, cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Now student, another one, cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay students, whole power n. Suppose is taken minus. This is also students cos of n theta minus I sin n theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n is cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Now students, cos theta minus I sin theta whole power minus n is cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. So dear students, cos of n theta minus of minus plus I sin n theta. So this is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos of one, both are positive plus, both are minus plus. One of them are minus, undoubtedly between we got minus. Okay students, write down. Now students, I will take one question, that is, if x equal to 6 theta CIS theta, then x power 6 1 by x power 6. So students, we can written as x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. This is the students 6 theta whole power 6. This is also 6 theta whole power 6. 6 means cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. By the De Moivre's theorem, cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Cos of 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Therefore, students, how can you write this? This is nothing but 6 of 6 theta. So, my dear students, we can written as this is 6 theta by 6 of 6 theta. 6 into theta, 6 theta. After that, students, 6 of 6 theta, 6 of minus 6 theta. How can you write the student? This is 6 theta, 6 of minus 6 theta. So students, this is cos of 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. So dear students, when we are taking cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta, after the rationalization we got 6 of minus 6 theta. So students, cos of 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Now this can be written as the students cos of 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. These two are cancelled. Cos plus cos is 2 cos 6 theta. Suppose if you don't know student this one, you can written as simply 6 of 6 theta. Just you can remove here cos of 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. After the rationalization, cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta upon cos of 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So student, this is cos of 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta by, in the denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 1. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, then it will be the 1. So student, this is 6 of minus 6 theta. So I was written as directly 6 of minus 6 theta. Then you can remove 6 cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. This is cos of 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. Cos plus cos is the students 2 cos 6 theta. Okay. Now students, I will take one more question, that is, if A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle, A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle, and x equal to 6a, y equal to 6b, z equal to 6c, then find the value of x, y, z. Then find the value of x, y, z. Dear students, this is based on De Moivre's theorem. X, y, z that is cis A, cis B, cis of C. Already I explained cis A into cis B into cis C. Cis of A plus B plus C. Cis of A plus B plus C. Cis is the students cos of A plus B plus C. I sin of A plus B plus C. A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. That means cis phi. That is cos 180 plus I sin 180. So now students, cos phi is the minus 1, sin phi is the 0. This is the students minus 1. Cos phi minus 1, sin phi 0. This is the minus 1. Okay students, write down. After that students, now the another question. I will take another question students. Cis 5 alpha by cis alpha. This is cis of 5 alpha minus alpha. This is 4 alpha. Cis 4 alpha is the students cos of 4 alpha. Cos of 4 alpha plus I sin 4 alpha. What is the students? Cis of, I love here 5 alpha. Cis 5 alpha by cis alpha. Cis A by cis B, cis of A minus B. 5 alpha minus alpha is the 4 alpha. Cos 4 alpha plus I sin 4 alpha. After that students, cis of minus b theta, cis of 2 theta, cis of 4 theta, cis theta whole power 6. Now students, this is, how can you write this? Cis of minus 3 theta, cis of 2 theta, cis of 4 theta, cis of 6 into theta. What is the students? 6 theta. How to write this is? Cis of minus 3 theta, 6 to theta. Cis of 6 into theta, 6 theta. After that student, cis A into cis B. Cis of A plus B. Cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. Upon cis A into cis B, cis of, what is the student? Cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. That is 4 theta plus 6 theta. Cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. This is also students cis of 4 theta plus 6 theta. Now students, this can be written as cis of minus theta by cis of minus theta by cis of tan theta. Cis of minus theta by cis of tan theta. Cis A by cis B, cis of A minus B, cis of 11 theta. What is the students? Cis A by cis B, cis of A minus B, cis of minus 11 theta. Cis of minus 11 theta is the students cos of 11 theta minus I sin 11 theta. Cos of 11 theta minus I sin 11 theta. Okay students.